Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Ben. These guys are getting ready to do their WOD for the day, which is 21, 15, 9. It's going to be box jump first, and then it's going to be kettlebell swings. All right, you guys ready?
Mel's favorite.
Mel's favorite? Okay, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Looking strong. Using those hips. You can see why this is Mel's favorite. Strong. Last round, Mel. Come on, Ben. Last 9 for Mel. Mel's really got those box jumps down. Like a pogo stick. 223. Come on, Ben. Every second counts. Whip that kettlebell down.
Come on.
224. 244, excuse me. Awesome job, you guys. How was it?
Was it student?
Good job, you guys.
Too quick.
Nice and strong.
Hey, spider. Spider jump.
Ben, how'd it feel?
Good.
Yeah?
Too quick on the box jumps.
Yeah, Mel's got some real strong, solid box jumps.
Yeah, you saw box jumps.
Yeah.
Learn off that.
Absolutely. I'm going to have to take some tips from Mel myself. She's like a pogo stick. It was good. All right. Bye.
Bye.